If you feel a sharp pinch in your knees every time you take the stairs, listen closely. You are likely making a mistake that's actually wearing your cartilage down. Today, I'm revealing the 3 specific movements that clinical studies show can lubricate your joints and make your knees feel 20 years younger without a single expensive pill. Think of your knee joint like a door hinge that hasn't been oiled in years. It is not broken. It is just stuck and needs the right movement to flow again. For decades, we were told to rest sore knees, but a major study published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy proves that gentle loading actually rebuilds joint health. The real enemy isn't your age. It's a lack of synovial fluid, which is the natural lubricant your body produces only when you move your joints correctly. Harvard health researchers point out that your knees often hurt because your thigh muscles have gone to sleep, forcing the joint to take all the impact of your weight, even if you have been told you are bone-numb. The British Journal of Sports Medicine reports that specific exercises can create a protective cushion of muscle to stop the pain. When we stop moving because of fear, the cartilage actually gets thirstier for nutrients, leading to more stiffness and that clicking sound you hear when you stand up. By the end of this video, you will understand how to reactivate these sleeping muscles. So, your knees can support you effortlessly during your daily walks and activities. Recent clinical trials from the Mayo Clinic suggest that strengthening the surrounding tissues is the most effective way to delay or even avoid knee replacement surgery entirely. The secret lies in progressive loading, which means we will start so small that your brain won't even realize you are working out, avoiding any sudden The first movement you need is the seated leg extension, which targets the quadriceps without putting any pressure on the actual knee joint itself. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, slowly straighten one leg until it is parallel to the floor, and hold it for 5 seconds before gently lowering it back down. According to the Arthritis Foundation, this simple move engages the muscles that act as shock absorbers for your knees, taking the heavy load off your cartilage. Aim for 10 repetitions on each side every morning, as this consistency helps pump fresh, nutritious blood directly into the joint space to reduce morning stiffness. While moving is critical, you must also feed your joints the right nutrients, and the Cleveland Clinic highly recommends adding more blueberries and strawberries to your diet. These fruits are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown in clinical trials to reduce inflammatory markers in the synovial fluid of the knee. Another powerhouse for seniors is the orange bell pepper, which is one of the best sources of vitamin C, a crucial building block for natural collagen production. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people with high vitamin C intake are 3 times less likely to develop knee pain. You should also consider adding a pinch of turmeric to your warm meals, as its active compound, curcumin, has been found to be as effective as some common painkillers in reducing joint swelling. Always pair your turmeric with a tiny bit of black pepper. As research shows, this increases your body's absorption of the healing compounds by up to 2,000%. The second movement you must master is the modified wall slide, which is designed to build stability around your kneecaps without causing any grinding sensations. Stand with your back against a smooth wall. Place your feet about 12 inches away and slowly slide down only a few inches as if you are starting to sit. The National Institutes of Health confirms that this closed-chain exercise is the safest way for seniors to strengthen the glutes and hips, which are the primary stabilizers for your legs. By strengthening your hips, you prevent your knees from caving inward, which is the leading cause of ligament strain and chronic discomfort during long walks. Transitioning to your plate, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which contain a unique compound called sulforaphane. Research from the University of East Anglia has shown that sulforaphane can actually block the enzymes that cause joint destruction and cartilage breakdown as we age. You should also integrate healthy fats found in walnuts and flax seeds, as these are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that act like a natural grease for your internal machinery. A clinical review in the journal, Nutrients highlighted that omega-3 South significantly reduced joint tenderness and the overall need for over-the-counter anti-inflammatory drugs. If you are looking for a safe supplement, consider glucosamine and chondroitin, which are natural components of cartilage often derived from shellfish or bovine sources. The Mayo Clinic suggests that while results vary, many seniors experience a noticeable reduction in pain after consistent use, use, as these supplements help retain water in the joint cushion. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. But focusing on these whole food sources first provides a solid foundation for rebuilding your knee strength from the inside out. The final movement in our routine is the heel-to-toe stand, which is essential for improving your proprioception, or your body's awareness of its position in space. Place one foot directly in front of the other so the heel of your front foot touches the toes of your back foot, and hold this position for 30 seconds. The Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy emphasizes that balance training reduces the tiny, erratic movements in the knee joint that lead to micro tears in the ligaments over time. By stabilizing your ankles and core through this simple stand, you ensure that every step you take is perfectly aligned, protecting your knees from unnecessary sideways pressure beyond movement and food. There is one often overlooked factor for joint health: proper hydration with a focus on mineral-rich water. Your cartilage is approximately 80% water, and even mild dehydration can cause it to become brittle and more prone to friction-related damage during activity. According to research from Johns Hopkins Medicine, staying hydrated ensures that the synovial fluid remains thick and slippery enough to provide maximum shock absorption. Try adding a squeeze of fresh lemon to your morning water. It provides a boost of potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and prevents those painful nighttime leg cramps. Remember, the goal is not to become an athlete overnight, but to perform these small, non-harmful actions consistently until they become a natural part of your morning. As you start feeling stronger, you will notice that the fear of falling begins to fade, replaced by a renewed confidence in your body's ability to move without limitation. You don't have to accept knee pain as your new normal. Start with just one of these movements tomorrow morning and let your body feel the difference. I want to know which of these tips you're going to try first: the orange bell peppers or the wall slides. Comment these below and share your progress with our community. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our science-backed health hacks for seniors. Let's keep moving together.